Morning guys, Chuck, how's the Mopar? Welcome back. Get to do another trip in the Cuda today. There's a group of guys in town here that are retirees, and they have cars. And one of them is Arlen with his 65 Coronet 440. The other guy's Bill. He's kind of the ringleader. He's not the original owner of his 64 GTO silver 4-speed car, but his dad is. And Bill's got it now, 389 I believe, 5-speed with a 410 gear. These guys, yeah, Bill was hammering on that thing a couple years back. It, you know, you never grow up. And twisted the rear frame. Good for you, Bill. And then Dave's another guy. He's the original owner of a 78 Aspen RT. I believe it's an RT, not a Roadrunner. Yeah, an RT. So anyway, I'm getting late start. Didn't plan on going. It rained hard. I'm not afraid to drive the Cuda in the rain, but it is a pain to clean. And then I can't always leave the house. So without further ado, I'm going to get in the car here shortly. We're going to a place called the Lucky Rooster. It's in St. Jacob, Illinois. These guys have gone there before. I've seen pictures. They have chicken that is outstanding looking, and I love some chicken. So I got a hat that was a gift, dressed in full old guy regalia. I got my brand new Skechers. I got my cargo pants on. So yeah, here we go. I'm running a little late. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna do a video, guys, but I'm not gonna be. These guys are out doing their thing, which they do often. They meet their friends, and yeah, I'm not gonna be waving a camera in their face or doing interviews. We're just gonna have a little fun, and I thought might take you guys along too. So, all right, let's get to getting. Just eat chicken. Look at a car show. I'll be damned. Is that a cool car, buddy? Well, I gotta get, this is cool. There's about 200 people live in this town. They have this little homecoming. And I digress, sorry.
I have a secret to beating Malos.
There's something cool up the road I want to look at. Then we'll head for the barn. Well, I didn't know it. I drove by. I saw this. Always looking, right? It's a 58. I don't know. And this is a muscle car place called Extreme Muscle Cars in near St. Jacob, Illinois. That's pretty cool. Guess there's no harm in walking around a little bit. Won't touch anything. Oh, there were probably a Chevy back there. No. Have a look at it. There's a drive shaft for. Not for this, well maybe, but I promise you Louise had ball and trunnion on one end. Yeah. Needs a little work. I am Christine something. So is it 58 Plymouth Fury? Cool stuff. Yep. Cool stuff. All right, time to get back on the road. See you at the garage. I'm back. Yeah, that was cool. Yeah, just going for a ride. I had the opportunity to go. I did not plan on last night that I'd be doing that today. Just like last week when I went to the St. Louis Mopar bash, whatever. Yeah, Bill, he's got that 64. He's got a 74 GTO, which is basically a souped-up Ventura, and then a 04 the last year, the GTOs. He brought the 04 this time. Interesting thing about Bill, he was 19-year-old Marine in January 1968, and he wound up in Vietnam. And if you remember what started in January 68, it was the Tet Offensive. So yeah, he was in all of that fun crap. You never know. Anyway, I need to turn up the idle on this old girl a little bit. She's wanting to die at the intersections. I thought I had whatever. Yeah, just crank it up a little. Anyway, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for coming along, and I'm still working on the red turd back here. So, yeah, that's all I got. See you next time. Thanks.